Are you a bad boy?
What you got, Jay? You got something? You got something bad?
Yeah, you're so funny. You're not supposed to be up there, are you?
Jay, you got a phone? You got Mama's phone?
You got my phone? Are you bad? Are you crazy bad? What'd you do with it?
Where is it? Give it here.
It's a really good thing you're cute.
What's this?
Yeah, that. Did you have that? Did you have that? Bad, Jay. My phone. Put it back. Put it back.
Good boy.
Good job. Yeah, no touching the phone. Ah, no touching the phone.
Put it back. Nice.
It'd take a bigger woman than I to break him.